With the Ntam and no mama Sant Major, Yadu, Bedimadi, Nano, who can walk on over.
It happened in the days that the first occupant of the gold stool Otumfuo, Tutu, needed badly successor to him. Since Azantes are matrilineal, it meant that only his nephew could succeed him. His sister was married to the chief of Amako and had had 2 miscarriages. Otumfuo wasn't pleased with this development, so he performed rituals which eventually helped the 3rd pregnancy to result in the birth of a son. The child was given to the mother of the chief of Pampaso. Otumfuo planted a spear in the ground and commanded that the 3rd seed, which had germinated into a son, so Otumfuo say Tutu, I said, this incident will become his Ntam, because the first and second ones both fail to germinate any seed until the 3rd one. The child eventually succeeded. Otumfuo say Tutu, as Otumfuo, Opoku, Warakatache.